missing someone. No more, no more. I am sad and so lonely.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little different. Excuse my enthusiasm. I'm like feeling kind of under the weather, not really, but it's okay, because I was like, you know what, I need to make a video, and I wanted to do a video that was different. Like, look at me doing different shit again. So I want to get into eyebrow tinting. So I was like, you know what, I should probably be my first dummy to try this eyebrow tinting thing. I've definitely seen it a lot of times on YouTube, watched a few videos of some like good ones and some ones that fucking failed. And I was like, alright, well, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna test it out for ourselves to see. One, I wanted to see if I like the product, because I did get this Just for Men product, but I also do have the other product, which is actually meant for tinting eyebrows. It's the Tint Kit by Godfrey. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly, but I do have this one, but I want to use this one for my clients, because I actually had to order this one online on what was it? I think it was Amazon that I ordered this online, and I have no idea how much this was. I want to say it was like $10 maybe, I don't know, but this was $10. This was like $8 and some change. So I just want to see this one on myself, and if I like this one, I can just continue to use it, and then, you know, still use the other Tint Kit. But I made a few stops. Well, not a few stops. I went and got some cotton swabs. Is it cotton swabs? Cotton balls. I went and got some cotton balls, and I got some gloves, and I got these sticks. I know they say that you can apply it with like the angled eyebrow brush. I'm gonna do that, but I kind of want to test this out too to see how well this works. I've seen so many videos, like I probably watched like 5 videos or 6 to like see how many different ways there was to do this, and it doesn't seem like there's like a secure, proper way to do it. So I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna wing it to how I think it should be done. So I also have some Q-tips. So that is for cleaning up around my brows when I put on the tint. And my spoolie, my little spoolie, so I can brush up my brows. Like, this is tinted eyebrows, and this is lasts. This, I don't know how long this one lasts, but it's supposed to last like 3 to 6 weeks. That's a long time if you have some fucked up brows, and I'm like, not with the shits. But I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. Okay, this is in the box, and oh, it's already pre-mixed. Okay. Alright. So this is already pre-mixed, so you don't have a developer. Alright. This is like some coupon stuff. It comes with the comb because this is for men. So it's for, I'm assuming it's for the hair. And then it comes with instructions and gloves. Now this is the actual tint kit. So this comes with the developer. It's not like I'm using a sale, but since I'm opening it, I might as well show you guys what comes in this one. It comes with hair color capsules. So that's good. 20 pre-measured hair color capsules, and it's 0.4 ounces. It comes with like the little angle brush. I could probably use that. This is great. Obviously some instructions and your little mixing cup. Cool. I'm not gonna use that, but I did need a mixing cup from that. So we're just gonna use the Just for Men color, and then we're going to put it in here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on for 5 minutes. Like I'm gonna put on a pretty thick coat for 5 minutes, and then I'll use like this stick maybe to kind of like go over the eyebrow to take off some of the product. And we'll just see, because I'm definitely just winging this whole thing. Now that I'm a little closer, you guys can see it has a little cover, like like a foil. I don't know how much to put, so I'm gonna put like 2, I don't know if you guys can see. Alright. Wow, it definitely oxidizes and you see how brown it gets. Alright. So we're gonna try that. Now I don't want to try it like to start right at the front. I'm just gonna apply it like how I would if I was doing my eyebrows. Okay, now I'm just gonna go on the other side, do the same thing. Now I'm gonna go back to the other one and kind of lightly get it on. I think I want to take off some of the product that's on the brush and just like, yeah, something like that. Now I'm taking like the flat side of the brush and I'm just going up with the product. So these are how the brows are looking. I'd rather have it like not as dark, and if I want it darker I could reapply, and have it too dark and I'm just fucked for like 3 weeks with some dark ass eyebrows. Okay, it's been like 2 minutes so far, so I'm gonna go in with this wood stick and see if I could take out some product. It feels like it's already like super fucking dry. But let's see if I can. Okay, some of it came off. Maybe the other side. And then I'm gonna use a Q-tip to clean up. Alright. Okay, 4 minutes have been up. I went and I damped some cotton balls with some like hot water. I don't know what to use to wipe it off, because when I watched everybody's shit, they just wiped it off. Like, they didn't say if they were using something. Some people said water, so I'm like, alright, we gonna go with water. So, let's see. We're gonna try this eyebrow. Looks fine to me. I don't know. Here I am trying to be extra. So I'm gonna do it again. Really, like just on the, like, I don't know. I'm just gonna do it again, fuck it. Okay, I reapplied. I'm gonna do another. Leave it on for 5 minutes. Hope I'm not being extra. 5 minutes. 5 minutes is up. Let us see. Alright, these are my brows. I kind of want to put a little bit of concealer to just be extra. No reason. So this is how it came out, which I am pretty happy about. I don't have anything negative to say. I would say if you guys are trying to do this yourself, you don't. Clearly I didn't use any gloves, so you don't need gloves. But this is good. This is good. This is definitely good. I would want to use like different colors. Maybe the only thing I would say, I don't know, maybe like a more brown. That's the only thing I would change, but everything else came out fine. I didn't overdo it, even with the second time putting it on. It's like just right. So I'm pretty excited about it, and this is good for like if you don't want to put your makeup on every time you gotta go somewhere. You could just slap on some lashes and you out. So this is definitely a good thing for that, like tinting your eyebrows. And I would highly recommend it. But be careful, don't get this shit in your eye, cause bitch, I don't know, you could go blind. But just, you know, you just have to be careful. Definitely use all the things that I showed you guys. The Q-tips, the spoolie, the angled brush is really good. I would definitely suggest using that. The wood, that's like really optional. I just got this because I seen somebody on YouTube use this. So I'm like, all right, maybe I need it. But it really, like, the product dries up quick. So you really don't need to like take the product off. Maybe if I didn't take the product off, I wouldn't have to put the extra 5 minutes on for the second time. The color was medium brown, if I didn't mention. It's medium brown, so it goes well with my hair that I have on now. Overall, it came out pretty nice, so I'm excited about that. But that's the end of my tutorial of my do-it-yourself eyebrow tinting, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope it was informative. Like I always say, make sure you guys stop and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button down there. I think it's to the left. Yeah, so it's down there. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you follow me on my other platforms that popped up earlier. And see you guys next time. I don't know what my next video is gonna be. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you.